Welcome back. In this session we will be doing a deep dive covering data and icon correlation. This is how we tie our ingested data to a template. To start off, we will navigate to the Data Correlation tab, as this is the first step to linking templates to data. This needs to be completed before icons because the images are also text-driven. We will start off by selecting the template from the template dropdown to begin our correlating process. After selecting the template, we will see a preview of the template to the right of the main user interface area. Next, we need to designate the database being associated. Once we have selected the dataset, we will then need to select the specific table being used for this template. Now we have a full table view of our data being correlated. At the bottom of the interface we have the column to data field frame. This is where the template variables get linked to specific columns from the database table. The left is the name of each column in the database table. To the right of this is the drop-down box displaying all of the associated variables. I will now begin associated datasets to template variables. Now that we have populated the variables to the database columns, we can preview what the part will look like after processing. Once we have confirmed everything looks right, we can move on to icon correlation. Similarly, to start off associated images to variables, we will need to select the template from the template drop-down located at the top. After we have selected the template, we will see the template preview populated. The next step is to create an image pool that will be used for each of the image variables. To do this, you click the New Pool button located at the top right of the Pools, Keywords, Images frame. Next, enter the pool's name. After the pool has been created, we will continue by adding keywords and their associated images. To do this, click the Add Keyword Row button located at the bottom of the center keyword and image table. After the keyword row has been added, click the keyword column text field and enter a keyword from your database. After this keyword has been entered, click the From Icon Catalog button or Browse File button to associate the image to the keyword. Continue this process until you have added every variation found within this image keyword pool. Once we have completed the keywords and image pools population, we must then bind the variables from the template to this image pool. A template may have multiple pools associated with it, so be sure you are selecting the correct pool. This is where your pool's naming convention becomes critical. To associate, you simply use the drop-down next to the template's variable to designate the correct image pool. Once these have all been associated, we can save this configuration to the image pool. This concludes the data and icon correlation deep dive session. Thank you.